Hello there, this is Pat with Petals, Crafts, and More. Look at this beautiful wreath. We're going to make it. You'll see that I've already got started on it. I've got my bow in place. All my greenery and florals are cut. We'll probably have to cut them down a little bit more, but they're cut and ready to go. We're just placing the greenery right now. We're making a border around the edge there behind the bow. And we're keeping it in a circular motion as much as we possibly can, so it'll just flow around that bow just so gracefully. I'm going to fill in a little bit on the top and below the bow as well. Keeping that line going there. Got to do a little bit on the inside as well. And like I said, fill in above, below, and keep your lines going in a circular motion around your bow. Kind of makes a border for your design. I had to lift that up to make sure there's no glue gets on anything. You'll see I do it throughout this design. The stems are a little bit thicker on these florals, so you have to kind of make sure you've got a spot that they'll go in, and then protect your other materials from the glue. You'll notice that I'm fooling around with the florals, making sure I get to know them real good, make good friends with them, so they'll be beautiful for me. You'll see the white pipe cleaner there. There's another one on the other side. There we go. Perfect view of it. I have those in place to mark the position for a sign that I want to put there. But you can see I don't have enough room for any florals below. There's the sign. And it would go there, but there's no room for florals. So I'm thinking I might put it above. Yes, we're going to put it above and go ahead and put our florals below the ribbon. There's our beautiful little berries. I think they put such wonderful texture into this design. I was originally going to go with a more springy, loose design, but the more I'm designing it, the prettier it's getting this way. So we'll just cut everything down, give up on that theory, and keep going. Petals come off of that one, so we'll just put her back on. See how those berries peeking over the ribbon, the bow. That's beautiful. I know you guys can hear noise in the background. My son was watching the TV and now he has gone to sleep. I didn't want to bother the TV though. I didn't want to disturb him. Each cluster of berries is wired together, so it's easy to manipulate them any way you want to. I just love that. The leaf that I had cut off, I just saved it because I knew we'd use it, and there we go. Save all that little stuff, guys. I'm telling you. You think you're not ever going to need it, but you will. You'll find a spot that it can fill in. And this is some lavender that I got from the Walmart. It's not the same texture or quality as the other florals, but with added to them, like I did, it just adds to the beauty of the design. A different color, a different texture, and that's what we need. We need something to catch the eye and keep it busy. While we're finishing up on this design, I want to remind you guys to like and follow the page. If you've not already, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it if you have. If you've got any tips or ideals that might help with the designs, just feel free to mention them below. I'll be sure and respond to each and every one of them. And any questions you might have, you getting antsy to make your own design, but you're not quite sure yet, just leave your question below there and I'll try to help you get started in the best way I can. And also let me remind you that we are on other social media sites as well. We have accounts on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. See there that I put that together and re-glued it. Keep it in there forever and ever and always. And share the petals. Let everybody see the beautiful flowers and the beautiful designs that we come up with. Bring some more people in so others can learn to make their own designs and find a design they might want to hang on their door and purchase it. You never know. It's just that something I'm starting to think about doing, guys, is adding some of these designs for sale on Facebook itself instead of on Etsy. That would bring the cost down off them a little bit, so more people might be interested in purchasing them. And there we have it. Beautiful, beautiful design. Just filled with texture and colors and beauty. Just beautiful. Thanks, guys, for watching. And another reminder, like and follow if you've not already. Leave your comments below and share the petals.